Pryor Manufacturing of Mansfield, Ohio existed in the early 1900s as both an industry-leading manufacturer and an award-winning aid to the United States Air Force. Started by a gentleman named Millard Pryor, Pryor Manufacturing focused on machining, finishing, and assembling castings of various materials. Though Mr. Pryor's success began as a businessman in Michigan, the Barnes Manufacturing Company of Mansfield reached out to Pryor, asking him to come to Ohio to help save the business. Answering the call, Pryor moved to Mansfield and found almost immediate success as he created Pryor Manufacturing to take over the declining Barnes Manufacturing Company. Although Pryor was a dedicated businessman, he and his family had no lack of enjoyable moments together. He and his wife Mary met while on separate trips around the world. After marrying in Kansas City, they carried their love for travel throughout their entire lives. Each year they would travel to Jamaica with their twin sons Fred and Millard Jr. for Christmas. In a journal written by Millard's wife Mary, she discusses several other family trips, including locations such as Greece and South Africa. As all successful businessmen are, Pryor was great at delegating both leadership and work. This proved helpful when Pryor enlisted to serve in the United States Navy, leaving the business to be run by Fred Hout and Jack Minnis. While Millard Pryor was serving his country in the Navy, his business back in Mansfield was also proving to be instrumental towards the war efforts, helping the U.S. Air Force. Pryor Manufacturing helped to build the finished wheel and brake assemblies for the aircraft used by the U.S. Air Force, specifically for B-29, B-47, and B-36 bombers, C-124 transports, and F-84 fighter aircraft. Although Millard Pryor's business efforts in Mansfield are rightfully notable, he also fostered a spirit of giving that lives on today. The Pryor Foundation has and continues to donate to countless organizations and communities throughout its existence. Today, descendants of Millard and Mary Pryor may choose organizations in the cities they reside to donate to through the Pryor Foundation. While no relatives of the Pryor family presently live in Mansfield, the foundation still gives roughly $20,000 to Mansfield each year, echoing the impact that Millard Pryor had on the area during his lifetime.